Hey everyone, as we kick off 2026, I'm super excited about the Linux world evolving even further. With Windows 10 support ending last year, more folks are jumping ship to open source alternatives, and Linux distros are stepping up big time. Today, I want to talk about 5 Linux distros I'm personally looking forward to exploring and using more this year. These picks stand out for their innovation, user friendliness, and how they're pushing boundaries in stability, gaming, and everyday computing. Let's dive in. First up is AerynOS. I'm really looking forward to AerynOS because of its atomic design, which means updates are flawless and I can easily roll back if something goes wrong. No more worrying about broken systems after an upgrade. In 2026, as more people demand reliable, immutable systems without the usual headaches, AerynOS feels like the future for both newbies and power users who want peace of mind. Next, Besgnulinux. This one's got me hyped for reviving older hardware. It's Debian based, super optimized to run smoothly on machines with just 2 gigabytes of RAM, and it's fast and stable out of the box. It even includes handy tools like the Brave browser pre installed. With sustainability being a big theme in 2026, reusing old laptops instead of buying new ones, I'm looking forward to Besgnulinux because it makes Linux accessible on budget or legacy setups, extending the life of my gear without compromising performance. Then there's BigLinux. I'm eager to dive deeper into BigLinux this year since it's based on Manjaro with a KDE Plasma interface, but it's packed with beginner friendly features like easy web app integration, straightforward driver management, and options to choose your browser right during installation. In a year where Linux adoption is skyrocketing, I love how it lowers the entry barrier for Windows switchers. Looking forward to it for its balance of rolling updates and stability, making it perfect for daily drivers who want Arch like power without the steep learning curve. Of course, Pop! OS is on my list. It's already a favorite, but 2026 is when its cosmic desktop really matures. I'm looking forward to it because of the incredible speed, configurability, and top tier gaming support through Proton. As a developer and occasional gamer, the seamless integration for AI tools and hardware like NVIDIA GPUs is a game changer. With System 76 hardware ecosystem growing, Pop! OS positions itself as the go-to for creative pros and enthusiasts who need a distro that's both innovative and rock solid. Finally, Ubuntu 2026.04 LTS. Ah, the classic. I'm looking forward to Ubuntu's latest long-term support release because it offers 10 years of security updates through Ubuntu Pro, enhanced AI and machine learning support, and the Snap Store for effortless app installations. There are even specialized editions for gaming and servers. In 2026, as enterprises and home users alike seek dependable community backed options, Ubuntu remains the universal standard, stable, versatile, and future proof. These distros represent the best of what's coming in Linux this year, from atomic reliability to hardware revival and cutting edge desktops. So, which Linux distro are you excited about? Drop a comment below and let's geek out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Next,